Have you ever looked at your succulent sitting quietly on the windowsill and thought, it's harmless, ordinary, maybe even a little boring? What if I told you it's hiding something? Beneath those thick, waxy leaves lies a secret world of color, fragrance, and surprise. An entire universe of blooms waiting to be uncovered. Today we're revealing 25 succulents that don't just survive, they transform into living masterpieces of unexpected color and beauty. Let's start with the Jade Plant. Most know it as a symbol of luck and prosperity, but few realize it hides a delicate surprise. When it's happy and basking in the sun, this unassuming green beauty produces clusters of soft white or pale pink, star-shaped flowers. A quiet celebration that turns good fortune into full bloom. Next is the Calico Kitten, a succulent that already looks like a watercolor painting, with its mix of green, cream, and pink leaves. But when it's truly content, it reveals its secret. Tiny yellow and white blooms that appear like hidden stars scattered across its heart-shaped foliage. A bit of sunlight and this little one becomes pure magic. The baby's necklace succulent stacks its leaves like beads on a string, a geometric masterpiece on its own. Yet beneath that tidy pattern lies a playful twist. It blooms with clusters of white, pink, and yellow flowers. It loves a good breeze, almost as if it needs to breathe deeply before putting on its floral show. Meet the String of Buttons, a curious plant with stacked crisscrossing leaves that almost look engineered. Native to South Africa, it hides clusters of small pink, yellow, and white flowers that appear when you least expect them. And when it grows tall or begins to trail, it feels almost alive, like it's trying to escape to the light. The Echeveria peacocki doesn't need to try hard to impress. With its blue-gray leaves outlined in pink, it's already stunning. But when it sends out bell-shaped bright pink flowers that last for weeks, it becomes a living sculpture, proof that beauty sometimes hides in plain sight. The Mexican snowball looks calm and composed, but its secret blooms under stress. When faced with drought or heat, it rewards your patience with pink coral bell-shaped flowers, as if saying, pressure brings out true color. The jelly bean plant seems playful with its chubby green leaves, but watch what happens in full sun or cold weather. Its edges blush red, and soon tiny yellow star flowers appear. It's a plant of emotion, reacting to its world in color and bloom. The fuzzy woolly rose hides its brightness beneath a silvery coat, but when the time is right, it breaks its calm with vivid orange flowers. Flowers almost too bold for such a soft plant. Keep it clean, its fuzzy leaves tend to trap dust like secrets it doesn't want revealed. The ghost plant might be the most deceptive of them all. Its pastel leaves seem delicate and faded, but under light they shift from gray-blue to blush pink, as if revealing their mood. Then one day, pale yellow and white flowers appear, its final act of quiet rebellion. Now, look closely at cobweb hens and chicks, a plant that looks like it's caught in a spider's web. But that delicate veil hides its destiny. It blooms only once in its life, releasing a breathtaking burst of magenta flowers before it fades away. A short, powerful existence that proves beauty can be fleeting and unforgettable. The Francesco Baldi Graptosedum is a hybrid of mysteries, carrying the legacy of two parents. Its yellow or white star-shaped flowers mirror both lineages, blooming proudly as if embracing its dual nature. Its shifting leaf colors only add to its intrigue. Dark, dramatic, mesmerizing. The Black Rose Aeonium looks like it's already in bloom, even when it's not. But when it decides to reveal its true self, golden yellow flowers rise from the heat of its nearly black rosettes. A bright soul breaking through the shadows. The Christmas cactus is the showstopper of winter, quietly biding its time until the holidays arrive. Then, in a burst of red, pink, or white, it fills the cold months with life. Give it a few weeks of darkness and it rewards you with a festive secret that never disappoints. The pink ice plant wears jagged jewel-like leaves, but when mature it becomes a living carpet of magenta blooms. A transformation so complete it's hard to believe the same plant was once so simple. Even aloe, yes, the same one known for soothing burns, has a hidden talent. Many types send up tall stalks of red, yellow, or orange flowers, standing proudly like torches of healing and light. A a reminder that practicality and beauty can coexist perfectly. The Crassula springtime lives up to its name, with clusters of soft pink flowers that arrive just when you think winter will never end. It's a cheerful messenger of new beginnings, drawing bees and butterflies as if announcing the return of life itself. The painted lady Echeveria keeps her secrets well. Her green and silvery blue rosettes hide yellow and pink blooms that appear in spring, a quiet nod to elegance and restraint. She prefers dry air, proving that grace doesn't need pampering. The Black Knight Echeveria is a creature of contrast. Its near black rosettes seem impenetrable, until deep red flowers emerge, creating a hauntingly beautiful color play, a reminder that even darkness can bloom. The donkey tail sedum trails gently, its plump leaves like teardrops of jade, but its secret lies in the tiny red flowers that peek through its cascades. They're easily missed, but once seen, never forgotten. The ruby necklace is a burst of color and energy. Its bean-shaped leaves turn deep ruby red under sunlight, while its small yellow flowers appear year-round, glowing against the crimson vines like hidden gems. The coral bell's kalanchoe steals attention. With its trailing stems and bright bell-shaped flowers and hanging baskets, it becomes a waterfall of color, soaking up sunlight as if charging itself for another breathtaking bloom. The Stapelia, also known as the starfish flower, is a strange wonder of the plant world. Its thick stems seem plain until it blooms. The star-shaped patterned flowers look like something from another planet, daring you to look closer if you can handle the surprise. The living stones, lithops, are nature's masters of disguise. They look like pebbles, blending into the soil to avoid predators. But one day, out of nowhere, they split open, revealing daisy-like flowers in shades of white, yellow, or orange. It's the earth itself blooming in secret. And finally, the string of pearls, a delicate, cascading plant with tiny bead-like leaves. Few know it produces fragrant white flowers that smell faintly of cinnamon, filling the air with an unexpected sweetness from such a humble plant. And don't forget the blue chalk sticks. With their powdery bluish stems, they might look like frozen sea coral. But come blooming season, they surprise you with delicate white or yellow flowers, a quiet ending to this gallery of floral secrets. So, the next time you glance at your succulents, remember, they might be hiding something extraordinary. Beneath their calm surfaces, a whole spectrum of color, scent, and life is waiting to be discovered. If you loved uncovering these secret bloomers, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button, share this video with your fellow plant lovers, and subscribe for more hidden wonders of the plant world, because every plant has a secret. You just have to know where to look.